Q16, an airport parking lot charges $5 for the first 2 hours of parking. Just listing out information. And okay, 75 cents for each additional half hour. If Sam parks his car for 8 hours, how much does he pay for parking? With problem solving, we can create a table. You can do that if you want. I'm going to translate this into each hour. So this is the same as 150 per hour. So I can create an equation. So options, create a table. Create an equation. So if we have a table, we can do hours, cost, so 1 hour it's $5, 2 hours it's $5. This is our total cost. At 3 hours, it's going to be $6.50. And 4 hours, it's going to be $8. Okay, we can keep going. I'm running out of room. I actually like doing the create an equation. And again, you can email me or text me, not email me. You can text me in the chat. Somebody's texted to everyone. Okay, well, let's see. You can text to everyone, but it might not be the right answer. We just have to remember that.
I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
You said that, well, the problem says 75 cents addition for each hour, each half hour. Does that mean that you're adding 75 cents to the total, or is it like $5.75 more?
You're adding only 75 cents to the total.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because it confused me with hour 3.
Also, I'm just confused because it says $5 for first 2 hours. That means like in total the first 2 hours are $5, because like the chart you wrote like 5 for.
That's why I was confused with the 3rd hour, because you put $6.50. What does that mean? That, like, I don't know which way to go off of, because wouldn't it have been like $11.50 at the 3rd hour?
No, because it's $5
for 2 hours.
So that means if you park for 1 minute, you pay $5. If you park for 1 minute, you pay $5. And that's kind of pretty normal for parking garages and stuff. And then after that, they have this like rate, which could be per hour or per half hour. Same for like taxi cabs. It's usually like $5 just to get in the cab, and then it's like 10 cents for every mile. Or sometimes it's based on time. So here, yeah, good questions. I love this. So here I'm creating an equation. So it's going to be $5 just flat, and then it's going to be $1.50 for each hour after. So that's whatever time is minus 2. I'm just trying to get our rocket scan available on my phone. Okay, so we want to do t equal to 8. So I'm getting, and also I'm going to ask at the end if anyone has a different way to find the answer. Because there's not always one right way to arrive at an answer. So we have the total cost is equal to $5 plus 8 minus 2 times 150. So the total cost is equal to 6 times 150. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So our total cost here will be $14. Does it seem reasonable? Yeah. I mean, it's not $100, and we see that we're going to pay at least 5, and it's about 75 cents for each half an hour, so it seems reasonable. Is there another way that we can arrive at this answer?
I just did 150 times 6, and then it did 5 plus 6. 5 plus 9, because 150 times 6 was 9.
Okay, so essentially, maybe you didn't explicitly write out this equation, but you were considering.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Professor, but if it's $1.50 for 8 hours, I don't know how I got 1.5 times 8, it's $12, and then plus $5 for 2 hours.
Well, you have to subtract the 2 initial hours
Oh,
because it's only 6 hours at this rate.
oh, okay.
So we could have actually converted it into half hours. So 8 hours is the same as 16 half hours. Well, we do want to use the same time units. Okay, so that's another thing to recognize. If we're working with half hours, then your table should be in half hours. If we're working in hours, then this rate should be in per hour. Okay, so any questions about this one? Here's like 3 different ways to look at this problem, and we see many ways, but hopefully we're all arriving at $14.